Hey there, Carla Silver here, and in this video I'm going to show you how when people reach out to you and give you a friend request, how you can generate leads for your business. So I do this once a week. I'll go into all my friends' requests and I'll go through them. I'm actually pretty picky about who I allow to connect with me. I'm getting close to my 5,000 connections, and I want to make sure that I have great people in my Facebook feed. So, but the key to this is having something to give as a lead magnet when I'm confirming their friend request. So what I've done, I have a little notepad here, and I have a canned note, and it just says, hey, their name, thanks for the friend request. Not sure if you know, but I have a Facebook group that supports growing your business online. You can find it here, facebook.com groups 0 to Hero Online Mastermind. Consider this a personal invitation, Carla. I am very much into automation. I'm not interested in having endless conversations with people. So I like to get people onto my list and into my so that I can follow up with them automatically via email. So you don't have to have a group here. You can have, this can be a link to an opt-in page where you give away a lead magnet, any kind of lead magnet. So it could be, let's say you're in essential oils and you've put together a PDF on the 5 essential oils that kills the common cold in 24 hours or something like that. And that pretty much anybody would want that, right? And want to know how to kick their cold to the curb. Well, that'd be a good name for it. 5, 3, however many essential oils that'll kick your cold to the curb, or that'll eliminate stress, or whatever it is that you have that you can give away that will excite your prospect to help them solve some problems. So so I have this. So all I do is I copy it. Then I go to my friend requests, and so again, I'm pretty picky. I don't know who this person is, but I'll check out who their friends are, and I know quite a few of those people. And then I'll go to their page. They're a Blue Diamond Entrepreneur. I don't know what that is, and if this is you and you're watching this, awesome. But we've got some pretty cool friends in common. Looks good. So I'm going to say confirm request. And then I'm going to message this person. So I'm going to message this person, and I'm going to say, I'm going to paste my message there, and I'm going to say, hey, Skyly, S-K-Y-L-I. Not sure if you know, consider this a personal invitation. Boom. There you go there. And then I'm just going to keep working my way down. Let's look at this guy here. Let's scoop down. Let's go down here and look at this guy, because this guy's suspect to me. This is probably a fake account. So I'm going to delete request and mark as spam. Some leaders will have whole conversations with people before they allow the friend request to go through. I'm not interested in working that hard, honestly. So let's look. I've got so many here. But I think you get the, here is probably another fake one. I will not accept a friend request from anyone that doesn't have, yeah, this is a fake account. Delete request that doesn't have a picture or anything. And sadly, almost all the ones that have some kind of uniform on are fake. So I'll show you another one, Mari, Angela. We've got lots and lots of people in common. This person's from Mexico. Okay, so I'm going to say confirm request. I think you guys get this, right? It's not that hard. The whole point is to give something away so that you can grab this person's email address and mark it to them. Mari, there we go. Mari, if you see this video, I hope this is okay. You look awesome. And then the cool thing is when someone goes to my group, and I can't show you this because I'm in my own group, but if someone goes to to Hero Online Mastermind, I can't show you this, but they are required to answer some questions, like how did they find me? Would they be interested in receiving information via email? And so I just have them give me their email address when they apply to be into Hero Online Mastermind. So that is it. If you enjoyed this training, give me a comment below or a thumbs up, or absolutely subscribe to my channel. Again, my name is Carla Silver. I help entrepreneurs build and automate their businesses online so they can make more money and spend more time with the people they love. Have an awesome day.